Thinking about an exercise program? This video discusses the 5 benefits of calisthenics fitness training. When we hear the word calisthenics, we think pull-ups and then push-ups, followed by dips as well as squats. Bodyweight calisthenics is one of the most versatile forms of physical fitness training, and it's also undeniably one of the most effective workouts you'll ever do to maintain your health. Calisthenics Fitness is a system of training that's been used around the world for thousands of years. This training system is perfect for someone who is starting a physical training program. Calisthenics is also a proven new way to consistently build muscle and increase body strength. So, what is calisthenics? A simple definition is resistance training using your own body weight. This total fitness system can improve strength and agility, aerobic conditioning, and flexibility. Calisthenics also improves balance and coordination, which is often associated with these magnificent freestanding handstands. Here are 5 benefits of a calisthenics exercise and training program. No gym equipment is needed. Anyone can do it. You will definitely burn fat, and you'll have less strain on your joints. And calisthenics is time efficient. Number 1, calisthenics exercises don't require a gym or equipment. Doing calisthenics gives you the benefits of strength and fitness even if you do not have money or time to go to a gym. It's so easy to exercise anywhere and anytime using your own body weight. It's also easy to do calisthenic exercises indoors or outdoors with very little space at any time of the night or day. Some personal trainers advise that resistance training needs progression over time, but you can achieve this by adapting your routine rather than lifting heavier weights. Number 2, calisthenics exercises fit all levels of ability. You can do very simple calisthenic exercises or advanced movements that may require more strength and skill. Basic workouts like burpees, push-ups, planks, and lunges are very effective when you want to tone muscle and burn fat. Advanced calisthenics allows you to work every muscle, but you can also target specific areas like the abs. Number 3, calisthenic exercises burn fat. Compound calisthenics burns fat at an accelerated rate. Working the largest muscle groups increases heart rate and exertion levels for longer periods of time than simpler lifts like a bicep curl. Calisthenics routines are so effective at burning muscle mass, requiring more calories for your body to function, which increases your resting fat burning rate. Number 4, doing calisthenics prevents joint strain. We all know that traditional weightlifting can put excessive strain on joints and tendons. Then, as your strength increases, you start to train with heavier weights, possibly leading to greater risks of injury. Calisthenics exercises are lower in intensity, using a higher number of repetitions, which helps to repair joints and tendons with increased blood flow. Calisthenics exercises help prevent weak joints and they create strong bones. Number 5, calisthenics exercise routines are especially time efficient. One of the biggest barriers to getting fit and losing weight is finding the time to exercise. Our time is so precious, so we don't want to waste time driving to the gym, hanging out in the locker room, or waiting for your turn on the treadmill. A 20-minute calisthenics training program is long enough to burn some calories and promote muscle development. You want to consult with a healthcare provider before starting a calisthenics training program. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. Please stay tuned to this channel for more health and wellness videos. Have a wonderful day and stay safe and healthy.